guys! Welcome to my channel, Myra here, and today I'm gonna show you how I did this very natural, very daytime look. Simple lang, bagay na bagay na did for every day. And let's get started! Okay, mag-start na tayo. So, for my foundation, by the way, I've already prepped my face using this Celitech Hydration. Yan, ito yung ginamit kong moisturizer. And then, nag-set naman na yung moisturizer. So, now we will move on with our foundation. And for my foundation, I am going to use this Focallure, ano ba talaga? Skin Evolution, and ano ba? I'm in a shade number 2 Porcelain. Yan. So, I'm testing out this foundation. So, I cannot give verdict pa as of now. Kasi, tinitest out ko pa siya. And, I don't know. Parang hindi ako magaling magbigay ng first impression. Kasi I feel like, nagbabago yung opinion ko about a certain product. And, hindi ako ready na magbigay agad ng judgment. Kasi hindi tayo mapaghusgang tao. Charot. Yan. So, I'm just spreading the product with my finger. Then, i-blend natin siya using a damp sponge. By the way, that is just one pump. Okay, now we'll proceed to the concealer, and I'm using this Focallure concealer in the shade number 2 Light Cream. There, Light Cream. Lagay lang natin dito. Tot lang. Line. Then we're going to blend. Okay, I'm gonna set my under eye using this NUDE Final Powder in the shade Ivory Glow. I'm also gonna set the rest of my face kasi wala naman na tayong ilalagay na cream sa face natin. So, set na natin with the powder. Okay, now gawin na natin yung kilay, and I will be using my EV Advanced Eyebrow Kit. Okay, now that the kilay is done, let's proceed with our eyeshadow. And I will be using this Impressed You palette by Beauty Glaze kasi diba promise ko sa inyo na ipapakita ko siya in action. So now this is what we're going to use. And okay, I've already set my naglagay na ako ng concealer and naset ko na ng powder yung aking lids. So now we will move on to our transition color. And ako makapili Okay, I will be using this one for my transition shade. And dip lang konti. Tap, and then lagayin natin siya dito sa may crease area. Okay, kuha tayo ng mas deep na brown. Siguro I'll be using this one. There. And maliit lang na blending brush. And then I just want to deepen my crease. Just a little bit. Lalagay lang natin siya dun mismo sa crease line. Kuha lang ako ng clean brush and then I will blend them together para mas maganda yung pagkaka-blend nila sa isa't isa. Ayan. Okay, and then maglalagay ko ng shimmer shade and this is what I'm going to use using a flat brush. So I'm just gonna pack it on and then lay it down in my mobile lid. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly line my eyes with this Wet n Wild Whole Floricon eyeliner, and this is in the shade brown. Ano bang ibang name? Sima Brown Noe. There. Ayan. I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes and then maglalagay na ako ng mascara. And the mascara that I'm going to use is this Maybelline Lash Sensational. Okay, hindi na ako mag-liner and hindi na ako maglalagay ng eyeliner and falsies kasi I'm going for that natural everyday look lang. Because we're actually going to the church later, so I'm really going to wear this makeup outside. So, gusto ko yung natural lang and hindi naman masyadong agaw pansin. Okay, now that we're done with the eyes, we will now proceed with the contour. And excited ako dito nito. I know this is not new, but this is new for me because this is the first time that I'm going to use it. And I'm talking about the Wet n Wild contouring palette. And this is in the shade Dulce. How do you say this? Dulce de Leche. Ayan, this is what it looks like. May swatch na siya kasi hindi ako makapagpigil kanina. It is creamy and buttery to the touch, but it's crumbly. Parang kailangan hinoy-hinoy ko lang talaga kasi crumbly siya. Powdery. See? Balik natin sa pan. Isang dip pa lang to, ha. Yan. Let's tap it off. Okay. Try naman natin yung this one. The light shade. Inilagay natin sa under eye. Oh. Okay, I'd like to quickly make a comment on this one. First of all, maganda siya. I like the contour shade. And very pigmented yung contour shade niya. So, be careful. And it's very powdery. Okay, isang tap ko lang sa kanya. Nagpipick up agad siya ng product. Isang tap lang. And pag dinutdot mo siya, for sure, kakalat siya dyan. Kasi kanina, nagulat ako. So, kumalat yung product. So, ingat-ingat pag ginagamit nyo to. Same with the light shade. Okay, the highlighting shade, matte highlighting shade right here. Parehas lang sila ng formula. To the touch, they're buttery. But, pag ginamitan na ng brush, hina-hina lang kasi it is powdery. Okay, move on na tayo sa pag-contour ng ating nose. And for the nose, I won't be using this one because I feel like this is too warm for the nose. I'm going to go back with my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. And I will be using this and this. Mix ko silang dalawa. Because for me, these two will give you the cool tone shade that's perfect for the nose. See, pag nakaganyan, nakikita niyo siya. Pero pag nag-tilt ako, it's blending really well. Hindi siya masyadong harsh. Okay. Dito tayo sa front view para makita natin yung linya na ginagawa natin. Oh, yan. Natural lang ang peg. Love it. Okay. Bakit ko bitalik? Okay, balik tayo sa kanya. I'm just gonna put a little bit of highlighter. Ayan. This and this, I'm going to mix them together. And then, maglalagay ako ng konti lang naman sa ating cheekbone before na-excite ako mag-highlight eh. Hindi pa pala ako naglalagay ng blush. Kasi iniisip ko pa kung anong blush yung lalagay ko. Konti lang. Okay, and for the nose also. Alam ko na kung anong blush na gagamitin ko. For the blush, I'm going to use this blush that I got from Daiso actually. Ang tagal na nito. Hindi pa siya halos, hindi pa ako nagpapan sa kanya. I like this because it gives that peachy, pinkish, peach shade. It blends nicely and hindi siya shocking yung shade niya. And for the lips, I will be using this Ever Belena liquid lipstick in this shade Aura. Okay? Kasi gusto ko nude look tayo today. So, okay, so this is our final look. It's very natural. Natural ba yan? It's very neutral, very daytime, very wearable, and that is what I'm going to wear today. I'm liking it. Natural lang siya. Hindi masyadong overwhelming. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video. If you like the look that I created, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel for more videos and tutorials. Ayan. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank